Wouldn't it be so interesting to learn exactly how life formed here on Earth? Science is not all the way there yet, but we have learned quite a bit. For example, we know that the oldest fossils on the planet are about 3.5 billion years old. These are the stromatolites found at various locations on our planet. Now, our planet itself is about 4.5 billion years old. This means that for most of Earth's history, life has been found on this planet. We know at some point Earth must have acquired a lot of organic molecules. These are molecules based upon the element carbon and other light elements such as hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. But where did those organic molecules come from? They could have formed in Earth's primitive atmosphere courtesy of the action of lightning. Over eons, just by lightning alone, they could have accumulated to significant amounts. Or they may have been brought to Earth by meteorites crashing to Earth's surface. Organic molecules through space? Astronomers will tell you that space itself is full of organic molecules. How do we know this? We see the spectral patterns of the organic molecules through starlight that has passed through clouds within space, these clouds of dust called nebula. Or organic molecules may have formed in unique areas of the ocean, perhaps in spots similar to the hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor of today. Hydrothermal vents, by the way, are deep-sea habitats near the borders of tectonic plates, usually in volcanically active areas of the ocean. Once there was a large buildup of organic molecules, some of them were able to form structures that led to the first living cells. For example, there are some organic molecules that spontaneously form spheres called liposomes, as we see here. Within the inner chamber of a liposome, chemical reactions can run efficiently, as reactants can easily find other reactants. And liposomes grow and divide naturally, a perfect precursor to the first living cell. Now, scientists think that the earliest cells had their genes held within RNA molecules, not DNA molecules. RNA is a likely candidate because individual RNA nucleotides can spontaneously form strands and then even reproduce themselves, as seen in the laboratory and here in this simulation. So the earliest living cells were probably primitive cells with membranes, inside of which there were genes made of RNA and controlled chemical reactions happening within, setting the path to ever-growing complexity that eventually became identified as living. And if this happened here on Earth, what are the chances of this happening somewhere else? In the deep past? In the present? In the future? Somewhere else in this galaxy? Or a distant galaxy? Far, far away? That is a good question to life.